Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore HubSpot lead scoring after deleting scoring models. Detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Contacts tab in the main menu. Select lead scoring from the drop-down options. If you have previously deleted a scoring model, locate the Scoring Models section. Click on the Create New Scoring Model button. Enter a relevant name for your new scoring model in the provided field. Set up your scoring criteria by determining what attributes and behaviors will influence lead scores. Consider using demographic attributes, such as job title or industry, and engagement metrics like email opens and website visits. Add rules for each scoring criterion, specifying whether the score should increase or decrease based on lead activity. Once you've added all your criteria, review the scoring model to ensure all details are correct. Click the Save button to create your new scoring model. You will then be redirected to the main Scoring Models overview page. To activate the scoring model, find it in the list and toggle the activation switch on. After activation, the model will begin calculating scores for your leads based on the defined criteria. Monitor the performance of your new scoring model by checking the lead scores regularly. If necessary, make adjustments to the scoring criteria over time to improve accuracy. With these steps completed, your lead scoring should now be restored effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.